What if I told you there's a natural compound that could literally help turn back the clock on your heart? Now, I know that sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but stick with me, because some incredible new research suggests it might be very, very real. We all feel it, right? That creeping feeling that your body just isn't what it used to be. We're constantly told that getting older, getting weaker, it's just inevitable. But what if that's not the whole story? What if it's not? And look, this isn't just some abstract problem. By 2030, almost 1/5 of the entire US population is going to be over 65. That is a huge shift, and it means that cracking the code on healthy aging is more urgent than it has ever been. So let's just get straight to it. Aging is the single biggest risk factor for pretty much every major disease out there. And when we talk about aging, your heart is right there on the front lines. I mean, think about it. It's this tireless engine that's been working 24/7 since before you were even born. But even the best engines start to wear down. To really get what's going on, we have to zoom in, way in, past the organs, past the tissues, all the way down to the cellular level. Because the real secret to a younger heart isn't some big, complicated thing. It's all about the tiny microscopic machinery that makes you tick. And this is where it gets really, really cool. It turns out your body has its own built-in secret weapon against aging. A powerful, natural process that, if we can figure out how to kickstart it, could honestly change everything. It's a process called autophagy. It literally means self-eating, which sounds a little intense, I know, but it's actually a brilliant system. Your cells actively hunt down old, junky, damaged parts, break them down, and then recycle them into fresh new components. It's your body's own hyper-efficient personal cleanup crew. But here's the problem. Take a look at this graph. This chart lays out the issue in black and white. That black line, that's what happens to all of us. When we're young, that cleanup crew is on fire. But as we age, it gets, well, lazy. Cellular junk starts to pile up, and the result is a heart that's literally getting old from the inside out. So, if a lazy cleanup crew is the problem, the billion-dollar question becomes pretty simple, right? Can we wake them up? Can we light a fire under them and get that amazing system running at full speed again? Well, that is precisely what this groundbreaking research set out to discover. So, meet Spermidine. It's a completely natural compound. You have it in your body right now, and it's in foods like aged cheese and mushrooms. But here is the critical part. It is a known, potent activator of that autophagy process. And, in a really cruel twist, right when your autophagy starts to slow down with age, so do your body's natural levels of spermidine. Okay, this is where the story gets wild. Researchers decided to see what would happen if they just gave aging mice a boost of spermidine, basically restoring their levels back to what they were in their youth. And the results? They weren't just good. They were absolutely revolutionary. Let's look at this graph again. That black line is the normal path to an old, tired heart. But the red line? Those are mice that got spermidine their whole lives. Their hearts stay young. Now, here's the bombshell. Look at the blue line. These mice started spermidine in their middle age, and it didn't just stop the decline, it actually reversed it. They literally turned back the clock on a cellular level. The difference is just night and day. On one side, you have the standard aging heart, stiff, not working well, full of cellular damage. On the other side, a flexible, powerful heart with what the scientists themselves called a rejuvenated molecular pattern. It wasn't just working better, it was biologically younger. And this might be the most exciting part of the whole thing. This isn't just about preventing future damage. This is about repair. The study strongly suggests it's not too late to turn things around. We're talking about potential reversal, not just prevention. All right, that's amazing for mice, but you're probably asking the same thing I was. What does this mean for us, for humans? Well, the researchers asked that same question, and what they found is really, really encouraging. They actually dug into human data and found this tantalizing clue. Turns out, people who tend to eat more spermidine-rich foods also tend to have a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Now, a correlation isn't proof, of course, but it's a giant breadcrumb pointing us in the exact same direction. So, is this it? Is spermidine the fountain of youth in a pill? It is so tempting to jump to that conclusion. But let's be smart about this. The scientists behind this are brilliant, and they're not making wild claims. So here's what you really need to know. The evidence in animals is just undeniable. We're seeing longer lifespans, younger hearts, and even protection against high blood pressure. But the human data? It's promising, for sure, but it's not a slam dunk yet. People who eat healthier foods might also have other healthy habits, you know? So, while the evidence is seriously stacking up, we are still waiting on that final, definitive human clinical trial. So here's the bottom line. The key to a healthier, longer life might not be some crazy new drug. It might just be about reactivating the incredible power that's already inside you. Now, you could try to eat a mountain of mushrooms every day, or you can get the purest, most potent spermidine available from the undisputed leader in longevity science. Do not age. Stop leaving your health to chance. Go to donotage.org and use code BB10 to take control of your cellular health today.